this video, you will learn how to draw a bolt in BricsCAD. Let's start with the head. Draw a polygon from center to vertex and choose a radius of 24. Now we need to extrude this polygon. So for this, select it and select extrude. Pick a height of 24 units. To create a cutoff edge at the top, we are going to draw a triangle at one of the hexagon nodes. To make sure this triangle is oriented well, we are going to move our coordinate system so the XY plane is vertical. For this, type in UCS, select the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so now you see the orientation of our coordinate system has changed. Select polyline and draw a triangle. This triangle now has to be revolved around the center axis of the polygons. So type in revolve, and to select the geometric center, enable it in the snap settings. So select 2 points on the axis, press enter, and then it is revolved. Now this new solid has to be subtracted from the existing solid. So for this, go to subtract, select the existing solid and our new solid, and then you get the final shape of the head of the bolt. Okay, to create the shaft, we are going to draw a circle on the bottom surface of this head. Take a radius of 12 and then extrude this circle. For this, pick the height you want. Okay, now we still have to create the thread of the bolt. For this, we are going to draw a helix. So under polyline, you find the option helix, select it, select the base points, the base radius, which is 12, and the top radius, which is also 12. We are going to set our turn height at 3 millimeters. And then just move your cursor to the height you want the helix to be. Now we need to sweep a little square around this helix, so draw a square of 2 by 2. Then type sweep, select the square, press enter, and then select the helix. Okay, so then you get something like this. Now we still need to subtract the helix from the shaft. For this, go to subtract, select the shaft, press enter, and then select the helix. And like that, we get our final bolt. Now we are still going to take a look to the structure tab. So do a right click and select structure. Then we see the helix is still in our drawing, so we are going to delete it. And then there are 2 solids, but we want 1, so we are going to union these solids. Okay, so now you see we have 1 solid. And here's a quick look at our final bolt. Thank you for watching.